For starters, this does not look like this, but we didn't see the finished product yet. So it's just not something you should blend. It's not. Five cheese ziti. Ziti. However you pronounce it. I'm not Italian. I'm American. Let's get this open. Well, for starters, this does not look like this, but we didn't see the finished product yet, so let's throw it in the microwave for 3 minutes. And now let's kill some more time. Oh shit, it's done. That is extremely hot. Let's see what it looks like. Maybe if we give it a mix, it will turn to this. Fuck it, it doesn't look like this, but oh, that's still cold. I, I followed the instructions. What? Okay. Um, let's give it a taste. No way. That's pretty good. Anyway, you know what time it is. It's pouring time. Gotta just there we go. Got a new technique. You gotta direct it in there. Hopefully it all gets in there. Yep. Oh, we lost one. Oh, we lost another one. Oh, yep. This is the technique is not very efficient. Oh, lost another one. Um, just it's all right, Put some water in. That should be good. The noodle, the pasta smoothies are always terrible. I think it's the texture of the pasta, and it's just not something you should blend. It's not. It never works. Not like the chicken fried rice smoothie. That had bad hopes going in the beginning, but came out on top. It was a 7 out of 10. Let's give it a little shake. Give it a little blend. That is unbelievably thick. Look, here's the problem. That is going to need a lot more water, so we'll just go ahead and oh, I missed it. Wow. We're gonna just pour that in there and pop the lid back on. Twist it with the thumb. Give it a nice little shake, and there it is. Alrighty, I think it's done. Let me just, yeah, that's what it looks like. The bubbles that's popping is mildly concerning, but you only live once, so let's huh. Okay, let's give it a quick smell. It smells like the ziti. So the thickness is there. It's been smoothified. Let's give it a little taste. Let's You know what? You know what? That is pretty good. If I had to put it on a scale between 1 and 10, it's it's a 5 out of 10. Well, bye.